Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today we'll show how to upload your Android app to Google Play Store. If you are an Android developer and you want to publish your app to Play Store, you should make sure you watch this video till end. I will explain everything in simplest possible way. Okay, so let's get started one by one. So first we need to log into Google Play developer account. So you need to go play.google.com.console. So there you can see there in the play.google.console you need to register your account. So in your account, so either you should do it your company, business or a non-profit. So it depends upon you. If you're registering for a company, then nowadays DUN number is mandatory. You should have a DUN number. And once you gave your all the details, it will be asking you for payment of $25, which is lifetime. So once you did the payment, so your account will be created. Now once your account is created, now you need to create a new app. So now you need to give your app details, app name, and it is free or paid app, then app type, then need to accept all the declaration, then you need to create an app. Now we should go to store present, go to store listing. Now we need to give a short description, full description, and graphics which will be 512 into 512 and feature graphics and some screenshots. If it is applicable to tablet, you can upload some tablet screenshots, and you can there is a optional videos from a video you can upload. Now I have added a short description which should be under 80 character and full description which should be maximum 4000 characters. Now I need to upload graphics. Click on add assets. Once you click on add assets, in the left side you need to click upload, and there you need to drag and drop. Now once you upload it, now you need to save it, and now we need to select this image. Okay, now edit, and it will be added here. Okay, now we need to add feature graphics. So similarly for feature graphics you need to add assets, and you can have to upload feature graphics you created. Okay, now feature graphics it should be 1024 into 500. So similarly it should be created. Okay, now once it is created, see it is 1024, it 1024, we need to make 1020. That's why it is showing is not a proper image. So this is the way you can add assets. Also you can see you can go upload, and you can see yeah, so you need to upload these assets, that is screenshots taken in your phone or simulator. So once you have added, then you can select it, then you can on the bottom you can have to add so that it will be added. Okay,
So now our assets are added, phone assets are added. Now we need to, on the bottom, we need to save it. Okay. Now we need to save it. Then you can go to your app and click on the app details. Now you can see all the privacy policy and all details you need to fill up. After that only you can go for a closed loop testing or open closed loop testing. So which you have to test with 12 tester for 14 days. So then you can go for production. Now you need to fill, you can see, you need to fill all the policy information, all details one by. Then you need to, once you add policy details, then you need to FSS, all functionality, all or some are restricted without all you can tell all functionality are available without restriction, or if it's login based you can tell some and accordingly you need to give. Okay. Similarly, you can fill all the details. Similarly, content questionnaire and all the details you need to fill all by one. Once all the information filled, now in dashboard you can see start testing the app. Now you need to release the app as I told you earlier. You need to release the app as closed loop testing. So we'll create a internal release first. So create internal release. Click on create internal release. Now we need to upload the app bundle. Now go and upload a valid signed bundle. So if you'll try to upload a release APK, it will throw, you can see I tried to release an upload a release APK but it throws error, so it is asking for a release bundle. Okay. Now once you upload the release bundle, now you need to give release name. Okay. 1.0 and the description of the what what your release contents. So once you've done, you need to click next. So now you click next, so you need to click save and publish. So now it is asking for save and publish. So once you release, now you can see it is released for internal testing. So once your testing is done, so either you can close the testing or you can move to production once the testing is done for 14 days. So while pushing to production, you can see you have to push to production and you can see it will be in the review. So once review is done, your app will be live for all users. Thanks for watching. If it really helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.